Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're making a classic Malaysian treat, Kuih Puteri Ayu, but with an eggless twist. This soft, fluffy kuih is the perfect dessert for tea time. This kuih has two layers, a coconut layer and a pandan layer. Let's get started with the pandan layer. First, we will make pandan extract for that special aroma and a natural green color. Cut 3 to 5 pandan leaves into small pieces. Then blend with 3/4 cup water to extract pandan juice. Strain the pandan juice with a fine sieve and set aside. You may also use pandan paste if pandan leaves are not available. Next, take 4 tablespoons potato starch and mix in 6 tablespoons pandan juice. Set this mixture aside. Into a bowl, add the dry ingredients: all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and custard powder. Sift the ingredients. In another bowl, combine 165 ml coconut cream with 80 ml water. Add a half cup pandan juice and the earlier made potato starch mixture. Now add 180 grams sugar. You may use 150 grams for a less sweet version. Mix well with a hand whisk or cake mixer until the sugar is dissolved. You may add a few drops of green food coloring for a darker green color. Now add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix well with a whisk to eliminate any lumps. More water may be added if the batter is too thick. It should be of a pouring consistency. This is perfect. Let the batter rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we will prepare the coconut layer. Mix 2 cups of grated or scraped coconut with 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon tapioca flour. The tapioca flour will help to bind the grated coconut. Mix well to distribute the salt evenly. Taste and add more salt if needed. Now prepare the molds. This type of mold is usually used for this Kuih Puteri Ayu. Brush some oil on the molds to prevent batter from sticking. Then add about 2 teaspoons of grated coconut mix at the bottom of the molds. Press firmly to ensure that the coconut layer stays at the bottom during steaming. Place all the filled molds into a steaming tray. Now pour the green batter on top of the coconut layer. Use a funnel or spoon to pour the batter. Leave a little space before the rim of the mold. Do not fill up to the top as the cake will rise during steaming. It is advisable to cover the steaming lid with a piece of cotton cloth to catch the droplets of water during steaming. Steam over rapidly boiling water for 15 minutes or until the cakes are firm to the touch. Now the cakes are steamed perfectly. Cool the cakes in their molds on a wire rack. Once they are sufficiently cooled, it should be easy to remove the kuih from the molds. Don't they look lovely? No wonder they are called Puteri Ayu, which literally means beautiful princess. Serve these Kuih Puteri Ayu as a tea time snack. And there you have it. Soft, fluffy, and eggless Kuih Puteri Ayu, ready to enjoy with a cup of tea or coffee. If you try this recipe, don't forget to share your results with me in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more eggless dessert recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.